how's it going? Today's video, we're going to be building another garden bench for the greenhouse, because I actually run out of space inside the greenhouse right now. I need places to store all the cuttings I'm about to do here in the upcoming videos. So we'll go through the process, and yep. So all of my boards are already cut up. I'm actually gonna post a picture here in the video to describe, you know, what the lengths are, what the dimensions are, the materials I use, and everything. But for now, so we got 4 36-inch long 2x4s. We got 4 8-foot 2x4s. We got 6 21-inch 2x4s, and we got 2 feet panel fencing that will serve as the top of our bench. So now that we got the basic frame of our bench made, we're gonna go ahead and put on these cedar pickets and place them on top as our tabletop. So now we finished the top, and then we're gonna do the same thing for the bottom. And this gives us a very strong place to be putting all of our trays and everything that we're gonna put on top of this. So yeah, we'll go ahead and finish the bottom, and then I'll be right back. There we have it, guys. We finished building our 2-tier bench, just using treated lumber and some cedar picket fences. And yeah, it's going to be a added benefit to our greenhouse. As you can see, we can hold our trays of seedlings, you know, cuttings, small plants that we want to keep off the ground. Easy build. And just hope you guys enjoy this video. Hopefully you guys found it informative, and I'll see you in the next one.